How to remove data validation in Excel. Here's the process. Start by clicking on the cell or range of cells that contain the data validation you want to remove. The selected cells will be highlighted with a border. Next, click on the Data tab in the ribbon at the top. In the Data Tools group, click the Data Validation button. It has an icon with a green check mark and a red circle. This opens the Data Validation dialog box. Look at the bottom left corner of the dialog and click the Clear All button. The settings in the dialog will reset to their defaults. Finally, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. The dialog closes and you're back to your spreadsheet. The data validation has been removed, and you can now enter any value into those cells without restrictions. Here are a few things to keep in mind. If you remove validation by mistake, undo it immediately with Ctrl+Z. The actual data in your cells won't change. Only the validation rules are removed. And if you want to verify that all validation has been cleared, you can use Go to Special and select Data Validation to check. That's it.